Blackout. Dancers take position.
Wait, one dancer forgot a skirt.
He announced the next. He skipped an award.
MC को भेजो, MC को भेजो, MC को भेजो.
Ask him to take a pause.
No, let's just go with it now. Let's not change anything. We'll manage.
Stand by for AV. Go for AV.
Good show, guys. Going off the comms.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Off the Comms, a show where we hang out with our friends from the events and experiential industry, and you get to see them in their non-work avatars. Our guest tonight has donned many hats. Trained in corporate communication, he kickstarted as a life professional and moved on to become a sound engineer. His hard work and dedication as a production executive to heading the Western region production for 360 Degrees, a former subsidiary of the TOI Group, transformed him to a passionate entrepreneur as he founded EV21 in 2008. Rohan Battise, welcome to Off the Comms.
Thank you. Thank you for having me here, guys. Cheers.
You know, all the ones who we have on a panel today, Shirish, Megha, Sony, and Apar. So,
Hi.
Hi.
So Rohan, my memories of you are linked to Malhar Festival at Xavier's, where you headed the text and I was in the Indian Performing Arts. But for the benefit of all the others, can you tell us what and how did events happen to you?
So, how I ended up in events is a very interesting question. In fact, every single event manager, I would believe, will have some story which is unique, some story which is really crazy. Mine isn't very crazy, but it takes me back to 2000. It takes me back to 1998. In fact, this is really long back when I had joined college. I was part of this college festival, our college, St. Xavier's College, part of Malhar, which is their college festival. And I was part of the technicals department. So I started off being a techie at the festival, where we used to make switchboards, we used to operate sound, we used to take care of lights. I mean, basically the tech department, what a tech department would do in an event. That
हाँ वो
is where-
खानदानी हो गया था.
हाँ खानदानी एकदम
खानदानी business हो गया था.
But it is I'm sure, I don't know, Apar and Anshu have been in college with us, and Malhar is a very I would say an institution itself besides college, you know. I mean, I would say if you have to at all get trained for a particular event or get trained for any kind of such kind of an experiential project, I think Malhar is the best place, at least for a 18-year-old or person, you know. It's beautiful. So वहीं पर जो कीड़ा बोलते हैं ना, इवेंट का कीड़ा वहीं पर आ गया straight मल्हार में. मतलब I want to do events. I don't know what is events. I want to do events, but this is what my status was in from 18 years to 20 years of 22 years of age approximately. So like I said, Malhar is where it all started. Being a techie, in the sense, not in the exact sense of techie. I mean, we were part of the techs department, and we called our technical department, and we called ourselves techies. But we didn't know much. While we did know quite a lot, because we used to handle sound and light on our own. So not the technicians from the vendor, but we used to sit on the console and operate all our shows. So that was something which is really awesome as an opportunity which we got, which very few festivals, I believe, in India give their students. We used to actually handle, we used to in fact mix for bands, obviously under supervision, but we used to sit on the console and put on the faders, put off the faders, equalize it, balance the system, white noise, pink noise, just all of these things we used to do over there. Along with having done techs, the natural next step was to be part of a tech team in an event management company. So before joining an event company and after leaving Malhar, there is this institute called Xavier Institute of Communication, which is part of obviously the St. Xavier's College. One fine day, I opened the prospectus, and I literally opened the prospectus, and it opened onto the page of PR and Copcom, in which there was a module called event management. I took it as a sign. I said, "Bhai, Malhar kiya hai. टेकी किया है, prospectus खोला, पहला
एक मिनट
पेज आया।
बेसिकली तेरे को वापस कॉलेज कंटिन्यू करना था, वही क्या बोल ना सीधा, मतलब जूनियर कॉलेज से लेके सीनियर कॉलेज फिर और भी इसमें 1-2 साल निकालने का था।
अरे people are giving their arm and leg to be part of that college यार, मेरे को तो
That's true.
सामने में so it's good यार to be part of it. In fact so मैंने prospectus, I opened the prospectus, बोला अरे event management module है, this is what I want to do. I want to be a PR and corporate communications professional, but I will do events in that. So this is how it started. I did like 10 months, 1 year of that course, which is a PGDM. And after that, I joined Showbiz. I was in Showbiz Showtime, which was
Derek's
which is Derek's department. So I was part of Showtime. Again, I was there for just 4 months. But then that is where I actually got to know what happens in an event. You know, I, as a fresher, as straight out of college, I mean, I was part of the tech team. So guys, believe me, I have actually loaded tempos, unloaded tempos, sound equipment. I have also delivered clear comms to specific certain people. I don't want to take names, but I have done all this. I have actually done all this. I mean, there was a time when I actually took that clearcom case. I sat in a bus. I went to a particular place wherever I had to drop it, and I was walking on the road, and I was thinking to myself, "Bhaiya, Xavier's किया है, then postgrad diploma किया है, और अभी मैं मतलब I am delivering clear comms. What is happening?" मैंने ना एक किसी से सुना था, I don't remember who it is, but for a sound engineer to be a good sound engineer, he needs to know the weight of his speakers. This is something which has always stayed with me. I mean, if you have not carried your speaker, आके site पे भाई मैं sound करूँगा. I mean, it's okay. It's great. Sometimes you have the liberty, but it's best to know the weight of your speakers to be a great sound engineer. So then I started, then after that, there's this friend of mine, Kunal Banavlikar. I don't know if you guys know.
Yeah.
Of course.
Also at 70. Yeah.
So he and I were in Showbiz. I mean, he and I were in Oaks Management that time. And उसके साथ मेरा बात चलता था कभी-कभी. So वो बोला कि भाई 360 degrees there is an opening. Why don't you apply? So I applied. And I went over there. First day I went to 360 degree office. Mirchi office and 360 office is on the same floor. So पता नहीं चला रेडियो का इंटरव्यू दे रहा हूँ या इवेंट वाले का. I went there, gave my interview. They asked me to make a cost sheet first day. I said, this is my idea of cost sheet. And I got selected. My training or my real true sense induction started happening in 360 degrees. I mean, that is I would say an institution for a lot of people who are currently all over in multiple agencies. There are so many people from 360 degrees. So like I said, I started off as a production executive, sab show kiya wahan par bhi, but not just sound. I used to be part of the entire production. So sound, light, stage, video, generator, manpower, Sara, whatever, you all know the drill. And yes, it was a great learning ground. I had some crazy memories of some crazy events over there. I mean, starting off as a production executive and leaving that place, heading the western region like Bombay, Ahmedabad, Pune. It was a great, I mean, it can't get better than that. And I had one, I mean, it will be incomplete. It will actually be incomplete if I do not take the name of my boss, Mr. Prasad Swaminathan, who was the founding members of Radio Mirchi. He was my boss for a few years. He is something which I really look up to. He's one of the finest people I've ever met and the best boss. So what happened, you know, interestingly, we got that event. We did the event successfully. We like rocked it. And everyone was talking about, अरे रोहन तू बीडी किया यार, तू बीडी किया है भाई, तू business development, तू production में क्या कर रहा है? What are you doing in production? ले उस दिन से मेरे को फिर they took me out from production and put me into business development. The minute I got into business development, उसके बाद 4 महीना एक project ने लेके आया मैं. मतलब the day I switched from production to business development, उसके पहले I was happy. I was like, चलो, I will do this also. To prove myself production, and still I got an event and all. The minute I was shifted to production, I got zero business. And that is where honestly, that is where it started going downhill for me. Prasad had quit. There are a lot of changes which were happening in 360. I was not happy, guys. I mean, the kick I used to get from an event after doing, I mean, and trust me, guys, being in 360, I was part of Filmfare, the last Filmfare which happened outdoor, which is at which was at BKC now, where the convention center has come up. I was part of the first indoor film fair which happened at Yashraj. So I was heading production for both those projects. I was part of Femina, like I said, Brand Equity, War of the DJs, Economic Times. Like I said, sab jo apar will know, sare jo And I have, like you said, I mean, Economic Times Awards is the only event which happens at Oberoi Lawns. I think no other event happens over there. So, in fact, I have had the privilege to execute an event over there as well. So, now, coming back to the 360-degree story, that is where it started going downhill for me. I thought to myself, I think this is not happening. I'm not feeling the same. I mean, getting up and going to work is not the same anymore. I mean, I'm not part of the thick of things. The core. I'm not part of ATR. I mean, 2008 film fair, na guys, February ya Jan mein kuch hua tha. I had gone to film fair. You know what they had called me for? You see, the whole office comes to help out for film fair. I mean, on the day of the show. So I was taking care of the VIP entry. And I actually, that day I felt I was sweeping the streets which I used to own. Once upon a time film fair में मतलब मेरे को कोई नहीं रोकता था यहाँ भी जाओ जो भी करना है मतलब and that day I was stuck to the VIP entry. So this is exactly that feeling I got, like भाई मतलब I'm literally sweeping the streets which I used to own once upon a time.
It was your baby.
My baby, like in a way, like सब कुछ मतलब talking to Nitin Desai, to Varsha, to Sarosh Patel, to Roger, to
Ulas and all
Shailesh. I mean, सब कुछ अपना ही था, मतलब green room, backstage, everything we used to take up. Anyway, that's when I decided I'm not going to be here for too long. We did a small wedding. Small, it was quite big actually in Udaipur. And that's when I said, this is it for me. I think in a few months, I'm not going to be part of this. So that's when I quit. July is around July I quit 360. So that's where I left. I said, nahi, mujhe abhi apne aap karna hai. I want to do it on my own. And I, in fact, took $10,000 from my dad. I didn't have money. I mean, I didn't even have $10,000. I took $10,000 from my dad. And then I got into Disney, Amazon, Max, Sony. Then it started rolling. I mean, the ball started rolling. It's been great. It's been, in fact, awesome 11 years. Starting with, again, struggle. So, hey, you all are entrepreneurs in your own way, either being a company or being tech or whatever you all do. But struggle is there. But it is so gratifying that it's amazing. I mean, one thing which all of y'all will relate to me about events is the instant gratification one gets after completing an event. No other profession will give that. And that too, event after event. After every event, you're like, wow.
So Rohan, over the years and, over the different shows that we worked on, we all have had these moments wherein someone has said something and, you have no clue how to react.
Few actually. I do have. In fact, I have a lot of them. I will share a few. In fact, the ones which come to my mind straight away. These are not. So client ka hai. Yes, of course, client ka hai. But what makes it? See, client, sometimes I understand that they don't know. Sometimes client genuinely don't know. I mean, they actually say, idhar latka do. And कैसे? How? मतलब होटल का सीलिंग तोड़ के खड्डा मार के क्या किया? What to do? And the client I still understand. Like you said कि चलो खरीद लिया क्या? But sometimes these funny memes when they come from event managers
it's more
sometimes fun. It is really funny. So I mean, I have worked with some of the finest designers, some of the really, really finest designers. So this episode, this meme is about a designer. So he created a wonderful stage. He created like a really good stage. I'm not going to take any names. He/she. So you all don't even know if it's a he or a she.
Oh!
And
he knows it's a he now.
Oh my God.
He knows
Oh my God.
Rohan, watch Apar as a smile. He already knows. Huh? You give
No,
him
no,
the-
Apar doesn't know yet. So
पता चलेगा.
he created one of the most intricate truss designs ever inside a ballroom for an outdoor show without any support. There were no legs. There was nothing, but the grid was so beautiful. I was like, wow. अभी बता मेरे को इसको लटकाएगा कैसे? This is one thing. I mean, very good, yeah, very good, but not possible. Then there is another one which happened with my team, and I got to know afterwards. But this is crazy, guys. This is crazy, guys. Like LED screens के लिए stage के बाजू में जगह नहीं था because the ballroom had almost ended. So screens we had to put a 16:9 ratio का screen. Just imagine what that person would have said. He was part of the production team. एक काम करो जल्दी टाइम वेस्ट मत करो. Listen, we have to get the show started. We have just a few hours. Screen ऐसा मत लगाओ, ऐसा लगा दो और फिर चालू करो. वो मोमेंट मतलब मेरे पास आंसर ही नहीं था. I mean, even if I wanted to be funny, when the team was telling me, I was like, I don't know what to just imagine यार. ऐसा जल्दी काम खत्म करो. फिर ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा मत लगाओ, स्क्रीन सीधा कर दो, ऐसा टेढ़ा लगा दो और फिर खत्म करो. And ऐसा भी नहीं. We do this. We have to construct those screens and design content according to it. Like, करते हैं हम लोग. मतलब I have seen. I mean, Mahindra Blues or whichever festival we do put, but then वो time पे 5, 10, 15 years ago when no content was designed that way, he said ऐसा screen को ऐसा कर. Again, event वालों का moment है is गिरगांव चौपाटी में event करने का budget क्या है? Was the brief which I got.
No, but see, the thing is that you've been blessed by the memes Baba, no, at the end of it. Like, to be blessed है भाई हम लोग ऐसे. मतलब तो है, होता है, सब मिलता है सबको. मगर बजट क्या था वो तो बता. बजट क्या था?
उसने बोला मेरे को गिरगांव चौपाटी में इवेंट करना है, बजट क्या है? मैंने बोला 50 लाख. सो मैंने भी एक इसमें रिप्लाई दिया. तो कैसा? बोला ब्रीफ दे तो मैं बताऊंगा कैसा. 50 लाख मतलब गिरगांव चौपाटी में इवेंट करना है, बजट क्या है? मतलब क्या होता है यार? वो भी ऐसे चलते चलते समन आस्क्ड मी लाइक एक इवेंट है भाई गिरगांव चौपाटी में इवेंट करने का है, प्लीज जल्दी बजट बता. बोला हाँ 1 मिनट. हाँ 50 लाख रुपए.
नहीं रोहन वही ना, जब मेरे को क्लाइंट्स ऐसे पूछते हैं ना, मैं क्या बोलता, अच्छा कितना होएगा? लाइक सुन, मेरे को एक पिक्चर बनाने का है, कितना कॉस्ट होएगा? ये तो पता क्या करने का है, कितना लेंथ है, क्या है? हाँ वही सवाल मेरा भी तेरे पास है, मतलब करने का क्या है तेरे को, ये तो बताओ फिर मैं बताऊंगा ना.
I'd like to pass this the next segment to someone who's rapid and full of fire. Sony.
Next segment.
I'll try to.
Okay, it's called Quickies. Here we go. Here's the first question. Okay, you need to answer quickly. Okay, here's the first question. Okay, game night or karaoke night?
Karaoke.
Hair dryer or perfume?
Both.
Option है. ऐसा क्या है both?
चांस ही नहीं है. मतलब दोनों के बिना
You have to pick. Yeah, you have to pick.
I sit for Zoom meetings wearing perfume. So imagine.
Use one word to describe the event industry.
Gratifying.
If you could live anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Rapid fire है ना ये? Oh wow, that is.
Don't say MMRDA.
Take your time. Take your time. You're the guest. अरे fast यार.
रैपिड आंखें बंद करो, डिसाइड कर क्या है.
बहुत सारा जगह है.
Quickly. एक तो बोल top of
आंखें बंद कर, बता.
Top of your mind.
Salzburg.
one current trend that you cannot stand. Any trend that you see happening around and you just
The hook
Just
step, the hook steps on reels and earlier TikTok. I mean, one kind of dance and one song which people are dancing on and.
like a typical step that people do.
No, ऐसा कुछ तो करते ना.
Okay, what do you prefer? Calling or text?
Call. Hands down, calling.
Okay, what job would you be extremely horrible at? Means it's something that you just not be good at.
Accounts.
What's your go-to road trip song?
Sultans of Swing.
That was good, huh? But you were pretty fast. I think pretty quick and rapid. I don't know the full of the fire part. I think Girish contributed and
Oh.
Amal contributed to that.
Yes.
So thanks for that, guys.
While we dedicate substantial part of our lives to events, it is also this very industry where we discover some of our lifetime relationships. Joining us now is someone who has an all-area access to Rohan's life and knows him like most of us don't. We're so glad to have his best friend Vivek Velani here with us. Vivek is the head of corporate events for Dun Events Dubai. Welcome to Off the Comms, Vivek.
Hi Anshu, how are you? 32.
Good.
What's up?
What's
Welcome
up?
to.
Hi, Vivek.
Hi Girish.
So Vivek, tell us, how did you and Rohan meet?
Cheers, guys. Cheers to Vivek Velani.
Cheers.
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 Well, me and Rohan, we met during 360-degree days. I started off immediately after college, and 360 was my first job, and that's where I met him. And I think out of all the people in the office, there were very few, and I think Rohan is of course on the top of that list. We just hit it off right from day one. So I don't know what it is, but then somehow we just clicked. And it's, I think, 18 years now, and we are still together as best friends. Every year, whenever I've been here in Dubai since last 14 years now, but every time, even if I'm in Dubai or I'm in Bombay, we have to meet. So there is no two ways about it.
Tell me some things about Rohan that only his closest ones know.
Least closest ones, no. Yes, there are many stories, but then I'll keep it to the sober ones. No, no. To be honest, as in, Rohan has a big heart. To be honest, as in, there is nothing hidden about him. One thing that I would definitely like, that I know for a fact that when he started EB21, he had crazy time. A lot of challenging time he has gone through, and he doesn't talk about it at all. He never talks about it. But then I know, as his closest friend, I know Neela, my wife, all of us used to sit together, and we know the challenges that he has faced. But then today, what he is, commendable to where he is right now. So hats off to him.
But Vivek, tell us some of the fun episodes that you've had, the two of you have shared together, while working, off the work, whatever.
Plenty. As in, there are so many things that we have done together, crazy stuff. Whenever we've gone, we both were the touring team of 360 Degrees. So whether it's economic times events that we used to have, 10 cities, 12 cities, whether it's War of DJs that we used to do. So all of that traveling is something that we used to do together. Don't you remember where we, on War of DJs, we didn't have permission. So there's one crazy event where during War of DJs, we didn't have even permission for the event. And somehow, I'll cut the story short, finally we somehow managed to get the permissions from the authorities, and then with one condition, that nobody is going to dance in the bar. Yeah.
So just imagine, guys, Vivek, myself, Bangalore. I remember the city.
I was going to say Bangalore tha kya?
Bangalore
Yeah.
था. Bangalore में तब वो चल रहा था, that was going on, where no dancing in pubs and all that was happening.
Yeah.
And we didn't have permissions, but of course we were Times of India. We got permission anywhere, even 1 hour before the show. Anyways, कुछ calls किए थे, and we got permission. But the condition was like what Vivek said: no one should dance. So the job role. So imagine what an event manager does, yaar. Our job role was to go in the crowd and stop people from dancing. मतलब इवेंट एक तरफ और विवेक और मैं जाके लोगों को रुका रहे, रुक नाच मत, and they are playing some crazy music, yaar. I mean, these are these new DJs playing some great music, yaar. And
can you imagine War of DJs happening and nobody is allowed to dance?
And सब लोग straight खड़ा है.
Pumping music and then no, you can't dance.
So Vivek, I believe Rohan also has a passion to cook, and I believe you all have had a lot of feasts together.
Yeah. As in,
Last year, boss.
cook, cook, eat, boss. He's a foodie. He's a big time foodie. So, boss, wherever, every time he has to try new things. And last time, I think he was by summer. And dude, really, as in crazy at 45 degrees heat, he wanted to barbecue in the outside. Like, what's wrong with you, dude? I'm not even part of it. And literally, he's like, I'm gonna do it all by myself.
The first one is a round where we are going to pit you both against each other. And I'm going to lip sync a couple of words, and Rohan's going to guess this one first. And after which Rohan gives lip syncs one word for you, Vivek, and you do the same. And we hopefully get to see how well do you really know each other.
Oh.
So the first one is for you, Rohan. So Rohan, here's your first word.
I know this word, and I know what it is also, and it's not the one which everyone thinks it is. This is
Wow, I want to know
Yeah.
the word. Say what?
He said it.
Okay, here's the word.
again, please. Sorry.
Is this related to me?
No, it's not
Or is it
related.
just
to
random?
No. This
So
is
no-
very special for Rohan. This is related to Rohan.
Just keep checking the mic again. वापस करते रहो. Dopey, poppy. क्या? एक मिनट वापस.
नहीं, okay. This is the one.
Dope.
I think Megha, you should give him a hint. So this is a place. It's a place, Rohan, and it's obviously a special place to you. It has to be a special place to you. Let me put it like that.
हाँ. Again.
Okay, no more hints यार. कितना बार हो गया ये?
ये रुको, मैं सुनने दो ना, मेरे को दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है जब बात कर रहे हैं.
So, Rohan, what happens is that the episode has a specific time limit.
अच्छा. रोहन यहाँ पे देख.
एक मिनट तेरे को पिन करने दे. पिन का सवाल है भाई. रिप्लेस
अब लोग करो एक एक करके अपना.
So the way I was doing the
You
other.
might as well say it, Apar.
Like,
No,
seriously.
Do it again.
It's like,
Rome.
I'm
Finish.
not making it that easy. Okay, so now Rohan, you've got to give lip sync a word for Vivek.
And Rohan,
Okay.
if you're giving a word, then you also have to tell us what it means.
The story.
It's up to us,
Background.
Wait, let me mute ना. Mute.
बोल मत ना.
अरे वो फील नहीं आएगा बोलेगा नहीं तो. ए हिंट दो हिंट.
No hints.
पहले बोल तो सही hint.
Yes.
पहले बोल उसके बाद हिंट देना.
Paper. Bieber. TV.
हिंट. ग्रैंड है दुबई.
रुक जा पहले सोचने दे. ग्रैंड दुबई. ग्रैंड हयात के हयात रीजेंसी. Premier. Okay, let's try this.
रुक पिन करने दे एक मिनट. पिन करने को भूल गया मैं. हाँ. अगेन प्लीज. रोशन. रोशनी. लोचन कोठारी.
ब्रांड इक्विटी.
दिस इज अ गुड वन. बॉस मेरे को इसके लिए बहुत सारा पॉइंट्स मिलना चाहिए. तो लोचन मजा
So please note.
Rochan was brilliant. क्या मजा आता था उसका काम. हमेशा बजट करता था, लेकिन बस मजा आता था उसके साथ काम करने.
So guys, our next round is a quiz segment, and for which one of our dear friends, Mudli Pillai, is going to be joining us. He's the quiz master. And you all are going to play this as a team. So Murli, over to you.
So Rohan and Vivek, are you guys ready? No, so let's kick off. This is the first question. Connect the two and name a famous band. Okay, two pictures and name a famous band. Your time starts now.
I know a song from here.
Huh?
Name a band, a very famous rock band.
Yeah.
Okay,
Very bad at this.
the time is up. Let me
Sorry.
give you the answer. That was Money for Nothing, Chicks for Free, Dire Straits.
But I knew this Money for Nothing. That's a song. The band name is Dire Straits.
Of course, I asked for the
It's
name
a
of
connection round.
the band.
Okay.
Connect the two pictures and name a Hollywood actor. Look at the two pictures and name a very famous Hollywood actor. Here, the time starts now.
Iron Man. Robert Downey Jr.
Okay, that's right. Robert Downey Jr. is absolutely right.
Sherlock Holmes.
Sherlock Holmes, he acted as both Iron Man and Holmes, so it's Robert Downey Jr. Well done. Okay, so now we move on to the fourth question. In 1954, they were called the Clare Awards because the lady was a well-known film critic who had died earlier that year. The event was held in Metro Cinema. What do we know this annual event now as?
Filmfare Awards.
Okay, well done. Filmfare Awards is absolutely right. Okay, look at these two pictures and there is a shadow there. You tell me.
Vivek, go for it. I'm sure you know. Even I know.
अरे साला brand equity quiz में.
अरे host कौन था?
Derek O'Brien.
Good. Derek O'Brien is right. Derek O'Brien is absolutely right. Connect to name a famous song. Okay, your time starts now.
Fire and Earth.
We didn't start the fire. It was already burning since the world was turning.
Absolutely right. Well done. Well done.
Nice one.
That is, it was always burning, so the world's been turning. We didn't start the fire by Billy Joel. So that's good. So that's very good going. Okay. So very well done. Thanks, Rohan and Vivek. Like, it was really a good show.
Thank
you, Off the Comms people.
But that was really good fun. I'm going to now ask Anshu to take over for what is our final segment. So Vivek, thank you so much for your time. I mean, the fact that you came, it just added the energy level and the quotient to a different level. So thank you for that for sure. So Rohan, if you thought we didn't spring up enough surprises on you, we have some more. I think we should take a look.
Oh.
Hey Ro, you're the best. I've learned a lot from you, especially not to eat a lot in the night, late night, and take an early morning flight. If you do that, you will face some serious problems. You will scratch the windows, you will bite the seat belt, you will give looks to the air hostess, and you will twist the arms of the one sitting next to you. So all that has happened with me, and that's the only good lesson that I have learned from you.
Oh.
My name is Deepthi. Rohan and I go back 17 years. We met in XIC where we were both studying public relations and COPCOM, path that neither of us obviously have chosen, for ourselves in careers. One thing that we both actually fondly remember and laugh about often is we had a course director, Mr. Srivastava. He was this really upright, uptight guy. And Rohan and I, we were both kind of naughty kids of the class. So we would sit at the back of the class, backbenchers, chit-chat pretty much throughout, mostly to keep awake, he got really bugged, and one day he called both of us, and he told Rohan, okay, you know, you're not going to sit together with Dipti anymore, and you have to sit in the front row. And then he turns to me and he's like, Dipti, I didn't expect this of you. And Rohan was so disappointed, he was so upset. He felt like, you know, he had been, like the professor had no expectations of him. And the whole evening he was sulking about that, and it was really, really funny. And now when we look back, it's really funny. Of course, I mean, you know, we'd laugh about it often back then too. But yeah, Rohan, I guess, came with that reputation.
It's all the best to all of us and the event industry. But Rohan, that's the end of all the surprises that we had to spring up on you today. So you can breathe that sigh of relief now that it is done, because this has been truly entertaining. So this has been truly entertaining for us. So thank you for being a part of the show, and let's raise to that. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Off the comps. I had a छोटू मारुति 800, उसका पावर विंडोज था, बहुत पावर लगाना पड़ता था बंद करने को.
सोनी थोड़ा सिंग वो चला देना.
पकड़.
He/she. So you all don't even know if it's a he or a she.
Oh!
And
He knows the he now.
Now we got it. Now we got it.
कुर्सी की जगह ना चारपाई डाल दो ताकि सब लोग ऐसे देख के और फिर उनको सीधा दिखे.
ऐसा कोई जॉब बनानी है दुनिया में जिसमें मैं बुरा हूँ, एक्सेप्ट अकाउंट्स.
Style of thing.
ये चले ब्लैक मास्किंग लगा. हाँ, go ahead.
It's like रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं.
एक्सेप्ट अकाउंट्स. हाँ. लॉकडाउन में मैं दाढ़ियां बना रहा हूँ, ये ऐसा हिट कर रहा है, जिम कर रहा है, सूर्यासन क्या क्या किया रहेगा पता नहीं. क्या मालूम.
सूर्यासन.
सूर्य नमस्कार को मिला के सूर्यासन.
हाँ सर.
सूर्य नमस्कार, शवासन,
सूर्य नमस्कार. बट ऐसा इतना बड़ा वर्ड कहाँ से होता है?
रोम. I was just saying
तुम
रोम.
लोग रोम के बाद भी कुछ बोला मालूम है?
मैं कुछ नहीं बोला, मैं बोला रोम.
कॉफी विद गिरीश कर रहे हैं हम लोग आज.
आयरिश है क्या कॉफी
विद गिरीश आयरिश नहीं रे. प्रीमियर
Different level.
भाभी प्रीमियर.
Okay, Vivek, yours.
चल जनरेटर बंद कर.